punta tayo dito. Kasi syempre siguro halos lahat tayo nagtatanong, paano ba talaga tayo kumikita in trading? I'll try to make it as bite-sized as possible para sa crowd natin for today and para at least malaman natin how sentiments work with regards to the market. I saw with some speakers that they are utilizing what we call trend lines. On our end kasi, we are utilizing what we call a moving average. Hindi natin ginagamit yung trend line for this matter kasi pwedeng subjective siya. Kasi halimbawa, if we are going to a chart pattern na plot some trend lines like that, on my end, para bang iba-iba yung magiging approach natin when we are plotting. Hindi ba? Pwedeng ganito yung analysis or pagguhit na gagawin ni Sir Johnny. Pwedeng ganito yung guhit ng gagawin ni Carston. Hindi ba? Iba-iba ang pwedeng approach natin when we are plotting lines in the chart. Whereas, kung gumagamit tayo ng tinatawag nating moving average, it's predetermined na for us. Okay? So, sabi nga dyan, no, plotting of a trend line can be subjective. It's very subjective in a way kasi it depends on the person viewing price.
Always be on point. Vertex Trading.